Hello kids, welcome to our English class. Looking at the picture, what do you think is our today's topic? Yes, you are right. It's about joining words. We also call them as conjunctions or connectives. Now, for today's lesson, our learning objective is to recognize and use conjunctions to create more complex sentences. And to achieve this objective, we all should be able to identify conjunctions in text, use conjunctions in text, know what a two-clause sentence is, create a text using different conjunctions to add meaning to it. Now, I'm sure you all know about conjunctions. Yes, you are right. They connect ideas within a sentence. They make one short sentence into a two-clause sentence. Now, today we are focusing upon two main types of conjunctions, mainly coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. Let's look at coordinating conjunction. Now, the most common coordinating conjunctions which we use are and, but, or. And when do we use them? We use them when we want to link two clauses that are equally important in a sentence. Okay? Equally important. Now, some of you must be wondering what is a clause? Clause is a sentence which has a subject as well as a predicate, a subject and a verb. Now, let's focus upon coordinating conjunctions. Okay? Now, these are some of the examples of coordinating conjunctions. Seth went to the zoo on Saturday and he saw a friendly giraffe. Now, in this sentence, if you see, there are two clauses and they both hold equal importance. Seth went to the zoo on Saturday. This is one clause. And the second one is he saw a friendly giraffe. This is a second clause. They both are complete. They make sense. But here they are connected with a coordinating conjunction and. Let's look at one more example. Seth loves giraffes. This is one clause. You can see this. This is one clause. Seth here loves giraffes. And this is our coordinating conjunction. But this conjunction is linking this clause with the other. He doesn't like hippos much. This is one clause. This is the second one. Likewise, you can see the third example also, which talks about coordinating conjunction. Okay. Now, let us check our understanding. Now, which of these sentences has a coordinating conjunction? If you read the three sentences, which one do you think has a coordinating conjunction? How many got A? Well done. A is a perfect example of a coordinating conjunction. This sentence, I raced down the path. This is one clause. Bumped straight into that, another clause. Joined together with a coordinating conjunction and. So did you understand about coordinating conjunction? Well done. Now we will see about subordinating conjunctions. The main subordinating conjunctions are when, because, although, if, since, while, as. But this is slightly different from coordinating conjunction because here we only use them when one idea in the sentence is more important than the other. So look at this example. Rob started laughing when he saw the puppy chasing its tail. Rob started laughing. This holds more importance. This is our this is a main, part of the sentence, more important idea that he started laughing. You can also call this as a main clause. The subordinate Conjunction is when. Now here this when is linking the main clause with the subordinate clause. He saw the puppy chasing its tail. This holds less importance. This is a less important idea. So that is why this is our subordinate clause. Here are some more examples of sentences using subordinating conjunctions. You can see the underlined word is a subordinate conjunction, and the words which are in bold are subordinate clause. Okay, I'll just read one example for you. I don't like baked beans. This is our main clause. Okay, this holds more important ideas that I don't like baked beans because subordinate conjunction, it's linking with a less important idea that is they taste all mushy. Got it? So this is a subordinate conjunction. They taste all mushy is a subordinate clause. So these two things are joined together to the main clause. So you can find some more examples of subordinating conjunctions. I'll just read one more for you. Let's look at this one. While I was swimming in the pool. Now, in this sentence, subordinate conjunction is used at the beginning of a sentence. I was swimming in the pool is a subordinate clause. I saw about 10 of my friends. This is our main clause that I saw about 10 of my friends. So, this is how a sentence is completed. Did you understand? Well done. Now, okay, look at these three examples, children, and understand that which one has a subordinate clause. Read the three sentences and let me know which has a subordinate clause. Okay, let's remove to reveal the answer. Okay, I'll walk with you if you wait for 5 minutes. The C, this one has a subordinate clause. I'll walk with you if you wait for 5 minutes. If is a subordinate conjunction. Okay, well done. Pat on your back. Now, we will see, let's do an exercise. Okay, get your English notebook or an A4 size paper. Okay, now you can just write the correct option. Choose the correct conjunctions to join the two clauses in these sentences. Okay, so for this activity, I will give you 2 minutes. Is it okay? Because you don't have to copy the sentence, you just have to write the correct answer. Okay, and your time starts now. Each sentence has three options. Read the options carefully before you write them in the sentence. I'll stop the timer now. Okay, let's do the self-assessment. Okay, check your answers. Although, B when, C if, D because, E since. How many got all five correct? Well done. Good job. Proud of you. Now, since you showed very good understanding of conjunctions, I would like to ask you to read these sentences and select true and false. Okay? To see whether you have understood it well or you still have some doubts. So these are true and false. Just read the sentence and write only the correct answer. No need to copy the sentence. Just write the correct option. Okay? All right. So I'll reveal the answers. Just do self-assessment. The first one is true, false, true, true. How many got all four correct? Well done. Good job. Now, children, since you showed very good understanding of conjunctions, I will be talking about the task. There are three tasks. They are given in your VGP book, Grammar Unit 7. Task 1 is on page number 30. Okay, you can do it in your English notebook. If you don't have the book, do it on an A4 size paper and keep it in a folder. Now, when you will do the task, please make sure that you write the sentences as well. Okay, this time just don't write the answer, write the sentence also. So, this is your task 1, task 2, given on page 31, and task 3 also given on page 31. Okay, so you can do these any of the task. So whichever you feel you are comfortable, choose your task and do it well. Okay. And then there is a challenge task, which is to create a short story about a family that visits a zoo. Look for use of wide range of conjunctions. Okay. This you will only do when you will finish the third task. Okay. Or you feel confident, you can do it. Okay. Now, so for doing this task, you all will get 10 minutes. Okay. So I'm just giving you instructions. Take 10 minutes to do the task. If you want to do more tasks, you can do it. To check your answers, you will do self-assessment. It's given. Then again, I have given you homework, children. Homework you have to do in your notebook. You can find it in Collins Connect, VGP, Unit 7. You only have to do question 6, 7, and 8. Okay, try to do it in your notebook. All right, this is your homework. If you want to do it online, you can do that also as well. And I'll be reviewing your work. Once you finish your work, please send it to me for correction. I'll give you the feedback. All right. Thanks for being with me for this lesson. And thank you so much for being such wonderful students. See you again soon. Take care. God bless.